Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English YouTube channel. In today's video, our topic is that how we can check that who is using our Wi-Fi. So in this video, I am going to tell you about an app which you can download easily from Play Store. I will tell you complete way to use it, and it will tell you who is using your Wi-Fi, name of the devices, their details, their IP address, MAC address, and many others. So without any other discussion, let's start our video. The name of this app is Fing. You can simply download it from Play Store. The download link will be in the description box down below. So let's open this. When we open it, it says unknown access point. Now so we will give it our location access, and now it has found the name of my Wi-Fi is Katmir. Now let's scan for devices. It is scanning and showing all the devices, their IP addresses, MAC addresses, and if it recognizes the device, it will also give us the name, the company name, Android version, or it is Android or it is iOS. It will tell us. For example, I open my device. This is my device, INFINIX Hot 9. This is giving us complete details of the company and Android version and even the network details. Now let's go back and choose some other devices connected to. For example, I choose this one, and you can see it's an Samsung Mobile, Galaxy Grand Prime Pro, and other details are also available. So and it also tells you that which device is online and which was online some time ago and now it is offline. You can also get the details. So thanks for watching, guys. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.